Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Now, I will say this disclaimer: if I seem a bit off and everything, um, I'm just gonna put that there. I'm fine, I'm okay, but I might not be cheerful. I just don't want that to come across in today's video. But anyways, that's not the point what today's video is about. Today's video, I keep saying today's video, sorry guys. Today's video is all about using sticky notes, Sharpie, ballpoint pen. So I was thinking of why not, and I've seen this on several YouTube channels and several Skillshare classes, and they've been using this system. And before I'm talking around it all, I just want to say for today's video, there we go with today's video, we're going to be doing to-do lists. Now, the reason I have this here is because I also use my bullet journal for mood tracker and tracking sleep tracker, and yeah, so basically, let me show you, and what I mean by to-do list and everything, and I'm not trying to show you this, what to do. You can use this as inspiration jump off or organization skills. And so far it has been working, and granted I've only done it for one day, so hopefully I can keep up with it and organize my to-do list together and everything like that. So let me show you. Try to so here's my mood tracker here. I have everything in my mood, and and then that was last week. So here's my weekly spread. Normally I don't have boxes. This is how I plan out my video content for this week and everything. And I usually use the weekly spread for that, and I was running out of space for my to-do list, that chores wise and everything. Here's my sleep tracker. So what I mean by to-do list, and instead of writing down my bullet journal and keeping it permanent, with that I could just move it around with sticky notes, and I thought this was brilliant. I was looking for some ways I can have sticky notes on my desk or in my pocket or take it anywhere I need to, and instead of just being in a bullet journal and taking this bullet journal everywhere. Now, with that being said, I have my chores, and I categorize them. I have my chores, I have like Instagram posts, I have YouTube, and I do have a drawing art to-do list as well. Let me try to find it. Hopefully it won't take up too much time. Hold on a second. Should have had this prepared before I recorded. Let's see. Okay, we won't look for that because you guys get the general idea of my to-do list system. And at the end of the day, after I completed some, if I completed most of them, I didn't get around time to do Instagram posts today, only one or twice. And I put the rest of it here, and for the next day, I usually have Tuesday or for the next day, and this is just a way that I can cross it off without feeling too permanent with it, and can move it around, organize it, priorities. And now I know I have chores number 2, that's the main priority, besides YouTube, and then Instagram posts kind of leaves it till last the day. But enough talking and rambling. I usually like to use Sharpie for the headers and categorize it. Usually I like to use yellow and pink, but I cannot find my pink right now. So I'm going to put you on speed art, more speed writing basically, and writing out my to-do list. I am using a Sharpie, and I am using ballpoint pen. So those are the 2 tools I'm using for this thing. You can also, for crossing out, and I usually, when I was writing my bullet journal to-do list, I would usually highlight, and when I'm crossing it off with a yellow brush pen or something, or yeah, so that's what I basically do. So further ado, why not hit the subscribe button down below, turn the notification bell on. Just to let you know, guys, I am fine, I'm okay, I'm better, and trying to get there. So, anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's get on making our to-do list. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, I'm really excited about this new technique I'm using with sticky notes and for to-do list, and I've seen this on Skillshare class, and I've seen this by Bun on YouTube, so go check her out. She's great and love her vlogs and everything, and I just thought maybe like why not I should try sticky notes and to-do list as well. So, and I've been taking Skillshare classes on this, and it's been really helping me get motivated even more. And the thing is that it's not permanent. I mean, it is permanent at the same time, and the reason I say that it's not permanent in your bullet journal because you can move around on sticky notes in your bullet journal or whatnot and organize headings. I mean, I guess you can kind of do that in your bullet journal, but this is like actually more organizational. But is that even a word? Organizational? I don't think that's a word. But anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video for my tips and tricks on how to do this. I am using Sharpie for the bold to do with titles, and I have one for YouTube, I have one for art and drawing, I have one for chores, and chores is my main priority in that, and art and drawing and YouTube comes next. Instagram comes last because that's not a platform that I'm really focused on. I'm mainly focused on YouTube for that. So I do have a YouTube to-do list on that, and this is my art and drawing to-do list. To make long-term goals, you can always have a sheet of paper and then put a grid on it and write your long-term goals on there or to-do list for that. And this is just another way to go about it. And for this one, it's insane. And I'm thinking about doing one, like a unicorn one, but I'm not really sure yet. It's just a heavy project to work on right now, and I'm just trying to give it an example of how we'll go about it. I've been taking some Skillshare classes on that as well. Just so many projects and ideas on what to do. So there's another one on sticky note. It's on the back burner right now, comics. I want to work on that. So guys, thank you for watching. Continue watching the end of the video, and I hope this inspires you to use sticky notes as to do it. Alright, see you in the end. Okay, hey guys. So for today's video, I have made a couple of to-do lists for sticky notes, and I was thinking to myself, you know, I wanted to start a couple of projects, like comic projects and theme projects, which I made sticky notes for, and this is my to-do list for it. I have one for chores, I have one for YouTube, I have one for art and drawing, and I have one for comics. This is just kind of like a not a priority. I can't even say I can't say that word. This is not on the top of my list. There we go. Seeing it kind of on the back burner because I need to think more in detail of this and how I want to go about it. I'm trying to decide if I just want to put a book together or I was thinking of doing a unicorn theme because I love unicorns and that's all there is to it, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. But I don't know. So that's kind of on the back side of things. Same with the comic project for that. But these are my top priorities. There we go. Now we said it. For tomorrow and everything. So guys, if you like this video, for chores and everything, I wrote dishwasher, make a bed, and things like that, basics. But you guys get the general idea of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a big thumbs up down below, subscribe, and I just want to thank you guys for your support. Can't say that enough, and I just thank you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Turn the notification bell on, and don't miss the video. And see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.